Hello friends, welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. I hope you all are enjoying my recipes which I have uploaded so far. Now today I have brought you a Lebanese recipe but with some Indianized flavors in it. I have taken some ready pita breads here. With that I will be making pita pockets or pita wedge. So let's get started. These are mini pita breads which I have bought ready made. It's very easy to make your own pita breads, or you can replace them with thick bhakris of jowar or ragi or whatever is possible. So I am lightly toasting them first by applying a very little butter onto a hot griddle. Let's flip them over. As we don't want to toast too much, they will puff slightly when you heat them. And let's remove them from flame because they will get toasted on hot griddle as it is. I have taken 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I am toasting them lightly. This will be for refilling. Let's take out the pita breads on a plate. And now let's begin with the filling. Next I am going to heat this pan, brush some butter on it and lightly toast this finely chopped capsicum to give it a grilled effect. The capsicums are lightly toasted. So here goes the flame off and now we'll make the filling. To begin with the filling, I have some curd over here, about 2 cups of curd, which I am going to drain through the strainer so that it becomes thick like hung curd. Next I have taken 1 clove of garlic and 1 chili. I have to mince them very finely. So I have finely chopped the green chili and garlic. Don't add too much garlic, just 1 clove will be enough. I have taken finely chopped cucumber here. We also have this already toasted finely chopped capsicum, and I will also add some finely chopped tomatoes and red onion. So let's add all these to a mixing bowl. The garlic, green chili, tomatoes, cucumber, chopped onions and the toasted capsicum straight from the pan. I have some half a cup of boiled chickpeas or chole here, which I am going to add to this, but with back of spoon crush them lightly so that they break into just 2 pieces, not too much. So they are crushed lightly. Fold them into the bowl. Also tear some fresh basil leaves into this, or you can add parsley or fresh coriander, whatever you have. Even you can add some microgreens. Now most of the water has drained, so now I am adding this hung curd to this mixture. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, some salt to taste, and the last is the toasted sesame seeds. And our filling is ready. Now let's take our pita breads. We'll cut them into half. With the help of a knife, very gently make a pocket like this. Make a pocket. Repeat this with all the breads. We finally have to add some cumin powder to the stuffing or the filling. Mix well, and now let's fill and make our pita pockets. Open them very gently so that it doesn't break. Fill this. Take another one. So try this Indonized Lebanese recipe. I am sure you will love it. Share this with your friends. See you with more such exciting recipes. Bye for now.